If unfortunately, while traveling in the wild you get lost and left behind in order to survive while waiting to be rescued, in addition to having to find a source of water, the next vital factor is fire. Fire not only helps us cook food, it also brings light in dark places, purifies water, disinfects, acts as a rescue signal or a weapon against wild animals. The friction fire technique is a method of creating fire by using friction between two objects to generate enough heat to ignite a flame. Here are the details of how to perform the friction fire technique. 1. Prepare materials. You will need two main components: a fireboard and a spindle. The fireboard is placed under the spindle to collect the ember. 2. Prepare the fireboard. Create a long groove on the fireboard so that the spindle can rotate easily within it. This groove will hold the ember when friction occurs. 3. Prepare the spindle. The spindle should be prepared to be smooth and flexible to create effective friction when rotating in the groove of the fireboard. 4. Start creating fire. Place a tinder bundle under the fireboard to catch the ember. Insert the spindle into the groove and begin rotating it quickly and forcefully to create friction between the spindle and the fireboard. 5. Collect the ember. When there is enough friction, an ember will form in the groove of the fireboard. You need to gently blow on the ember to encourage it to grow into a flame. The friction fire technique requires patience and skill, but if done correctly, you will be able to effectively create a fire the original way.